How are you? Do you want to talk? It's okay. I saw it go off. I know you're here. Hi. No? Not in the mood for talking? Hello. You just gonna do it once and not again? It's okay. You're allowed to do it. That's what it's there for, so you can play with it. There you go. That's it. See? You like to play with that, don't you? Eh? It's okay. You're gonna make it hard for me to watch my movie, though. You let go of it? Just for a second. Okay, a longer second. Couple seconds. Usually it's a good week or two before you're active. Are you just bored? Hmm? Okay, Ashlyn. Touch the ball again. Prove to the people watching that you're responding to me. Just touch it again. One more time. Now you won't touch it, will you? What are you looking at? Hmm? Where'd you, Lily? She doesn't say much. She doesn't even move much, you can see. What? You like the camera on you, do you? Thank you. Do you think I can go back and watch my movie now? Hmm? What do you think, Lily? Okay, Ashlyn, I'm gonna go watch my movie now. Is that okay? Hmm? I know you're here. Thank you for communicating with me. I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now.